Your bank account shows a charge you never authorized. And that is the exact moment your heart drops. You thought you were just trying out a clever tool for brainstorming, something to help you visualize your big ideas. But instead, you are stuck in a digital loop of frustration. We are looking closely at an app called Visualmind. It claims to use artificial intelligence to turn messy thoughts into beautiful maps and summaries. On the surface, everything looks like gold. It is sitting right there on the major app stores for both Apple and Android. That usually implies a certain level of safety. Most of us trust those platforms. We see that official presence and assume the gatekeepers have done the hard work for us. Then you check their social media, and the numbers are staggering. Over 200,000 followers on Instagram is no small feat. That is a massive crowd. It makes the brain look established, legitimate, and very successful. Even the leadership is out in the open. You can find the managing directors, guys like Pascal Klein and Robin Pratap, right there on professional networking sites. It feels transparent. It feels honest. But this is where the story takes a dark turn. Ratings can be a mask. If you only look at the main app stores, you might see a decent score of 4.4. But if you dig just a little bit deeper, the cracks start to show. The Trustpilot score is a total nightmare. A 1.9 out of 5 is essentially a screaming siren. People are not just mildly unhappy, they are genuinely angry. They are reporting charges that they never agreed to. They are talking about a subscription process that feels more like a trap than a service. Think about the stress of trying to hit a cancel button that does not seem to exist, or reaching out to customer support and getting nothing but silence, or perhaps a generic automated script that solves nothing. These users are describing a maze, a confusing account setup that hides the true costs until it is too late. It is a classic trap in the digital age. You come for the productivity, but you stay because you literally cannot figure out how to leave. This is why a pretty interface and a high follower count are not enough anymore. You have to look at the most recent reviews, the ones from this month, not the ones from years ago. The anger in these comments is real. People are using the word scam. That is a heavy word. But when money starts disappearing from your wallet without your permission, it is hard to call it anything else. This app is a perfect example of why we cannot judge a digital product by its cover. Even with a physical address and a phone number, if the user experience is broken, those details are just window dressing. Be incredibly careful before you hand over your credit card info. The shiny AI tools are tempting, but your financial security is worth more than a colorful mind map. Stay skeptical. Check the forums. And always read the one-star reviews first. They often tell the truth that the marketing department is trying to hide. It is your money and your peace of mind on the line. Protect yourself. Do the research. And never trust a high follower count alone. Small red flags, like a difficult cancellation process, usually lead to much bigger problems down the road. Keep your eyes open.